If you want to learn how to make tom yum soup at home that tastes like it came straight from a restaurant, but without spending hours in the kitchen, you're in the right place. This is the ultimate easy tom yum soup recipe that's packed with protein, loaded with veggies, and made with a secret shortcut that delivers authentic flavors in under 20 minutes. Let's hit the kitchen. First, we are going to saute the julienne red onions, red, orange, and yellow mini bell peppers in olive oil. Yep. Then a handful of spinach, and then we're going to let that wilt. Then add a whole can of diced tomatoes with the liquid and everything. And a whole can of Asian sweet baby corn. Now, I like it with liquid because I love the sweet baby corn liquid that comes in the can. A handful of green onions, 3 cups of chicken bone broth, and a whole can of straw mushrooms. Now, when it comes to the mushrooms, if you can't find this kind of mushroom, you can put any kind of mushroom you like, and or eliminate mushrooms if you don't like any mushrooms. You know what I mean? Anyway, and a handful of cilantro with the stems and all. The secret to this elevated chicken tom yum soup is all in the base. This video is partnered with Mekhala. We're using Mekhala Tom Yum Paste. I really love partnering with brands that have a story worth telling. And Mekhala is exactly that. It was founded by 2 sisters, Daphne and Diane, with a simple but powerful mission to make cooking easy, healthy, and meaningful without any compromises. They started the brand to recreate the authentic, bold flavors of the kitchens they grew up in, using only clean, organic, and plant-based ingredients. What's amazing is just how versatile their range is. Whether you're craving Thai, Vietnamese, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Singaporean, Malaysian, and or Indian cuisine, Mekhala offers a huge variety of Asian and Indian pastes and other organic flavors to help you prep the perfect meal. Their pastes are 100% plant-based and vegan. And they pair beautifully with whatever you're cooking, from vegetables, tofu, and tempeh to beef, chicken, or seafood. Now, today, the word Mekhala means goddess in Thai. And their all-female team, which is literally female-led in Chiang Mai, is leading the way in sustainability. They work directly with local farmers using regenerative practices and are incredibly international about minimizing waste. It's been so rewarding to partnering with an Asian and women-founded sisters brand that is making a better Asian kitchen accessible to everyone while genuinely giving back to their community. If you would like to give this actual recipe a try and purchase your very own Mekhala paste, use our unique Amazon link down below or find the paste in your local grocer by using the store locator on mekhalaliving.com/store locator. When you use our unique Amazon link or purchase at your local store, you're helping us by creating more videos like this one. So I would like to thank you, my aiders, in advance for subscribing, watching, and placing an order with our unique link down below. I would like to take a moment to thank our partner, Mekhala, the 2 sisters, Daphne and Diane, for letting us share their amazing story and how I can easily chase the flavors of Thailand with Mekhala Vegan Tom Yum Paste. And let's get back to the video. I love this tom yum because it's completely vegan, gluten-free, organic, non-GMO, and has 0 oil and refined sugar. It's pure clean, like literally clean, and plant-based flavors. Huge shout out to my own sisters who are vegan and gluten-free with celiac disease and is always looking for clean, plant-based, vegan, gluten-free Asian products. For our veggies and protein lineup, because unlike my sisters, we eat meat in my house. Okay. Anywho, we're keeping it accessible and hearty. 1 pound of thinly sliced strips of chicken breast going in the pot. Once the broth is in roaring boil, let's let it boil for a couple minutes. So because it's thinly cut, it cooks through in just a few minutes, staying incredibly tender and flavorful because we are always chasing the flavors. Garnish with cilantro, and then there you have it, a comforting, healthy, restaurant quality Tom Yum soup recipe cooked right at home. If you're wanting more flavorful recipes like this one, make sure to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up because it helps the algorithm, and let us know in the comments if you prefer Tom Yum with chicken or shrimp. This is Julianne from justtodate.com, and we'll see you in the next video. I think you know what to do. Tom Yum soup. It's in the name. Yep, it's yum. It's yum. Yee. I love it. It's kind of cold right now, so it's perfect timing to have Tom Yum soup. Oishi.
Real quick, are you enjoying this video? If so, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified about all our future videos. Also, hit the like button and comment 8 down below to share with your friends and family.
And remember, friends, expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters. See you in the next video. See you in the next video.